So if you want music in a vehicle that's never had speakers, one where the speakers are broken, out in the shed, on the deck, or in your horse float, then this Makita Bluetooth speaker might be right for you. So it runs off either an 18 volt battery, a 12 volt battery, or an AC adapter that plugs in here. So it's also got a USB plug, so you can plug in your phone charger, so when you're turned on, it'll charge up your phone. So if you want to play music or something that isn't Bluetooth compatible, it's got an auxiliary port right here. So there's a button here to turn on. So it turns on, and then you go into your phone, you go into Bluetooth in your phone, and you find DMR203, and you hit it. And now it's connected. So there's an equalizer button here. So if you push it, you can change how your music's going to sound. It's got a few presets, and then at the end, you can change each one individually. So there's play and pause, and then there's skip forward, skip back, and then these buttons over here, that's plus pair. You can actually link 10 of these speakers together, so they're all playing the same music at once. Or if you've just got 2 of them, you can say whether it's a left hand or right hand side speaker to give you that true stereo sound. So we're about 40 meters away, the speaker's over there on the bulldozer still, and we're going to connect her up. She's connected, we'll play a bit of music. And even at this distance, we can control the volume. So if you team it up with the Makita fan, the Makita coffee maker, I reckon you got yourself the ultimate Smoko set. So there's a little storage compartment here. It's mostly used for keeping your phone in, but what I like to do is sneak in a little bag of coffee. And in the top here, where the 12 volt battery would go, we've got room for 2 muesli bars. So if you like a bit of music when you're working, out camping, or driving an old car with no CD player in it, I reckon this Bluetooth speaker might be right for you.